In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all event details in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change a calendar's visibility so people can see full event titles, locations, descriptions, and more, instead of just free or busy blocks. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign into the account that owns the calendar you want to adjust. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar where your calendars are listed. Find the specific calendar you want to update, hover over its name, and click the three-dot options icon. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you directly to the settings page for that calendar, not your general account settings. On the settings page, scroll until you find the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. This is where you control how widely visible the calendar is and how much detail others can see. You're going to enable public visibility first, then choose the level of detail. Turn on Make Available to Public. When you do, Google will show a warning reminding you that making a calendar public means anyone on the internet can find and view it. If that's what you intend, common for public events, community calendars, or team schedules, go ahead and confirm by clicking OK. If you manage sensitive or personal information in this calendar, consider whether this is the right place to make details public. You can always create a separate public calendar just for events meant to be shared broadly. With the calendar now public, look right below that setting for the visibility options. You'll see two choices: see only free, busy, and see all event details. Many calendars default to see only free, busy, which hides titles and descriptions. If that's selected, click it to acknowledge the current setting, then switch to see all event details. Selecting See All Event Details ensures that anyone who views this public calendar can read the full information for each event, including titles, locations, descriptions, and attachments, subject to Google's standard visibility rules. That's it for the setup. To recap, you opened Google Calendar, went to the specific calendar settings and sharing, enabled Make Available to Public, confirmed the warning, and then chose See All Event Details. From now on, visitors to this public calendar will see complete event information instead of just time blocks. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up.